Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding OpenAI's mysterious new hardware device. Now, I know what you're thinking, another smart speaker. But hold on, this one's a real head-scratcher. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device so intriguing, and why it might just be a game-changer in the AI space. First things first, the price tag. According to reports, this AI-fueled smart speaker will be priced between $300 and $400. Now, that's a significant jump from the average smart speaker, which typically ranges from $40 to $240. But what makes this price point so interesting? Well, in my opinion, it's a bold move. OpenAI is essentially betting big on the idea that consumers are willing to pay a premium for an AI-powered device that goes beyond the typical smart speaker experience. Personally, I think this strategy could be a double-edged sword. On one hand, it shows confidence in the technology and its potential. On the other, it raises questions about the market demand for such a high-end product. What makes this really interesting is the fact that smart speakers have historically been a tough market to crack. As many as 70% of smart speakers end up unused, and companies like Amazon have struggled to turn a profit on their Alexa devices. So, OpenAI's decision to enter this space is a bit of a gamble, but it's one that could pay off if they can create a truly innovative and desirable product. Now, let's talk about the design. Bloomberg reports that the device will be donut-shaped, allowing users to carry it around their home and place it in different locations. This design choice is intriguing, to say the least. What makes this really stand out is the fact that it's not just another round speaker. The donut shape suggests a deliberate attempt to create a unique and memorable product. It's like OpenAI is saying, look at us, we're not just another tech company, we're thinking outside the box. But here's the thing, in my opinion, this design might be a double-edged sword. While it's certainly eye-catching, it also raises questions about usability and functionality. How practical is it to carry around a donut-shaped speaker? Will it be easy to place in different locations without it looking out of place? These are the kinds of questions that OpenAI will need to address if they want to make this device a success. Now, let's talk about the moving parts. Yes, you read that right, moving parts. According to sources, the device will have distinct moving parts, which is a detail that mystifies. What makes this really interesting is the fact that it's not just another static speaker. The moving parts suggest a level of complexity and sophistication that goes beyond the typical smart speaker. But here's the thing, in my opinion, this could be a double-edged sword. While it shows that OpenAI is investing in creating a truly innovative product, it also raises questions about reliability and durability. How will these moving parts hold up over time? Will they require frequent maintenance or repairs? These are the kinds of questions that OpenAI will need to address if they want to make this device a long-term success. Now, let's talk about the partnership with Lovefrom, the design studio founded by former Apple developer Johnny Ive. This partnership is intriguing, to say the least. What makes this really interesting is the fact that it brings together two powerhouses in the tech industry. Lovefrom's expertise in design and Apple's legacy of innovation could create a truly remarkable product. But here's the thing, in my opinion, this partnership also raises questions about OpenAI's ability to execute. Will Lovefrom be able to translate their design vision into a functional and user-friendly product? Will they be able to navigate the challenges of bringing a new hardware device to market? These are the kinds of questions that OpenAI will need to address if they want to make this partnership a success. Now, let's talk about the lawsuit from Apple. Yes, you read that right, a lawsuit. Apple has accused OpenAI of stealing trade secrets, and it's a serious allegation. What makes this really interesting is the fact that it raises questions about the ethics and legality of AI development. Is it really fair for one company to accuse another of stealing trade secrets? What does this mean for the future of AI development? These are the kinds of questions that we need to consider as the industry continues to evolve. Personally, I think this lawsuit is a wake-up call for the entire industry. It highlights the importance of ethical and legal considerations in AI development, and it's a reminder that we need to be mindful of the potential consequences of our actions. In conclusion, OpenAI's new hardware device is a real head-scratcher. It's an expensive talking AI donut with moving parts, and it's being developed in partnership with Lovefrom. But here's the thing, in my opinion, this device is more than just a smart speaker. It's a bold move by OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT into users' lives in a new and innovative way. It's a device that could potentially change the way we interact with AI, but it's also a device that comes with a lot of questions and uncertainties. So, what do you think? Is this device a game changer, or is it just another smart speaker in the crowd? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis. Thanks for watching.